Today I'm going to show you how to use some Ringtone Converter Software. Basically, the way this ringtone maker software works is you can convert FLV files, you can convert MP4 files, you can also convert the MP3 files to ringtones. And the type of ringtones it can make are MP3s, WAV files, and it can make ringtones for your iPhone, which is .m4r files. So this is the converter that will do it, and if you go to my website, we have a ton of tutorials on how we do it. Today I'm just going to show you how to do it with an MP3. I'm just going to browse and select an MP3 I happen to have on my computer, and I'm importing it now. After a few seconds it'll fill in this graph, and this is what the MP3 looks like as a graph visually. And you can scroll back and forth here. And what we want to do is we just want to cut out the chorus from this song, and to do that we just grab this scroller below the graph and notice it begins to turn green. The beginning of that yellow line, or the end of this green here, is where the ringtone will start, and then we would bring the trim point, or the end point right here. We'll scroll that over and notice we'll bring it together. So now the yellow section will become the ringtone. To know where we are in the audio, you just simply hit play. It'll begin to play the audio from your first cut point. That way you can fine-tune exactly where you want to start your ringtone and where you want to end it. So if you want to cut out just the chorus or a few different words or a specific line from the song, that's how easy it can be done. Now that we've identified the ringtone section, so we want to turn this into the ringtone, we'll just rename it. So whatever you want to name it. If it's a popular song, so this is Eminem, so we'll just do Eminem Test. And now that we've named it, all you have to do is select the type of ringtone you want. If you have the iPhone, you simply just click iPhone, give it a few seconds. The software does everything for you. It'll cut out the yellow section, which is your ringtone. It will convert it, and it'll put it in the proper name format. So what did we call it? Eminem Test, and there it happens to be, it's a .m4r file. This is exactly what we want. You can drag and drop that right into your library in the ringtones folder in iTunes. So that's for you iTunes users or iPhone users. And if you need the MP3, you just click the MP3 button, and the software will go to work again for you. It'll cut out the yellow section for you, and it'll put it in a folder. Let's see, where is Eminem Test? There you go, as an MP3. And you can drag and drop that into your BlackBerry, your Nokia, your Droid phone, or whatever cell phone, whatever type of smartphone you have that uses MP3s. So that's how easy it is to use the software. Now, besides MP3s, you can add an MP4. Notice this is an MP4. See my cursor? Grab that, and it'll give it a few seconds, and it'll populate it. So there's the MP4. And if you know how to download FLV files, you can import an FLV file, and it'll change the graph once it's loaded. And there we go. So this is the ringtone converter that you can use, and if you want to know how to download FLV files or the MP4 files, you can go to my website. I have a ton of tutorials. If you want to know more about the ringtone software, again, visit the website. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful for you, and rate the video a 5 of 5. That'd be great. Thanks.